Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on LivU. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your settings application. Now scroll down and find apps. Once you find it, tap on it. Now using the search icon, search LivU application. Once you find the application, simply tap on the application. Now onto this privacy section, tap on notifications on first row. Tap on switch icon in order to turn on all the notifications. And that is how you can easily turn on notifications on LivU. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.